Hello guys, welcome back. Katia Valino in the house. Guys, today I am going to make you a special extra strong immune concoction, immunity drink, paste, whatever you want to call that. Without further ado, we're gonna get started. The first thing we need is a bullet. Make sure you are using the smallest bullet. Okay, the next thing is lemon. I sliced up some lemon and I freeze them. It's better for you to grind lemon, the inside and the outside, because the rind has more medicinal benefit, and if you don't freeze them, you will be very unable to grind them. So this lemon here are all frozen. And then I have the next thing I have here is ginger. Ginger is all cut up and washed. There is no measurement. Everybody is home at this time, so I am making enough for the family, at least for 3 or 4 days for the family of 5 or 6. So I have some garlic. Garlic is super known to fight infection. So you put everything in here. Definitely you don't need to add water here, and you are going to blend everything together. So after blending the 3 of them together, you want to turn it over in a container, a jar. When you turn it into a jar, okay, you want to add honey. Make sure you are using all natural honey. Manuka honey is the best, so you can use Manuka honey or any natural honey. So mix it up with honey, and the next thing you want to add is organic turmeric. It's all organic. If you don't have access to fresh turmeric, make sure you are using the powdered one that is organic. So I will add 1 teaspoon of turmeric in here. The next thing you want to add is black pepper. Turmeric does not digest in your system without black pepper. So make sure you are consuming your turmeric with black pepper. So I have all this in this container here. You can go ahead. So you have different ways that you can use this. You can mix it with warm water in the morning and drink. You can mix it with your shake. You can mix it with your green tea. So personally, I have a small glass of lukewarm water here with 1 teaspoon of this immune boost paste. So I dunk it in here and turn this around, and you drink this first thing in the morning and last thing before you go to bed, and you have your Turmeric autoimmune boost tea all ready for you. So guys, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching, and make sure you are staying safe this period. Bye. See you in my next video.